Today I'm going to teach you how to catch your first ever trout. This works best mainly for stock trout, so make sure to look up and find a spot where they recently stocked around you. All you're going to want is a simple slipway rig, and then about a foot below that, a tiny hook with some power bait. This mimics the food they eat at a hatchery, so it works really well. Once you cast your bait out, the power bait will float up a little bit, and it shouldn't take long until a fish starts to mess with your bait.
Got him. Let's go. That is on our power bait setup right there, guys. Let's go. There's a nice trout on the power bait.
There's a nice fish on one of the easiest strategies you can use to catch these trout.
A beautiful brown trout.
We're going to release this fish, but make sure to follow for more and comment down below if you would want a more in-depth tutorial.